All right, I'm the flat rate master, and this is behind the scenes. So I figured I'd take you guys on just a little look and see what happens behind the scenes. See the kind of equipment I use, my setup, just, show you a little background of what goes on. Figured it'd be interesting to at least a few of you. And I pulled out the old GoPro. Hate the GoPro. All right, so I got you mounted on my roll cart. I'm gonna pull you off here, so don't get too excited. So, first thing, the stainless steel back on my roll cart I use for show notes. I will use a dry erase marker to write bullet points for my video, my topics, points I want to get across onto the stainless steel surface, so I can see it when I'm talking on camera. All right, now when I first started making videos with this GoPro, camera, audio was something everybody complained about. So I've done a lot of things to improve it. I currently use a Zoom H4n Pro along with a XLR lavalier mic. This mic right here. That's why you see this as I'm touching it. That's why you see this, is because I'm recording it on a lavalier mic to a separate recorder. I'm not going to hide it because it's just too much trouble, and I got chest hair. And as you can see, I used 2 tripods, one for my audio recorder so I can monitor it, and one for the camera. Now my camera is a Sony 4K camcorder. I went with a camcorder over a DSLR because, one, I'm a technician, not a cameraman. 2, record time on DSLRs can be a little short. If I'm going long on a video, I don't want it cutting out, shutting the video off and me having no time to reshoot, because I batch shoot my videos. It is currently Thursday night at 9:45 at night, and I'm shooting videos. I have to have the sun down and I have to have traffic died down. We are on a major road here in Buckhead. So if I don't wait for traffic to die down, it's kind of loud on the mic. Now I have a dead cat on top of the camcorder with an external microphone, but I do not use that. I use it only to sync my audio. The reason I do that is it's easier for me because my program will do it if I've got audio out of the camera. But I don't use that audio because it's just not good enough. It picks up too much background noise, too much road noise, and I've got too much distance between me and the camera. So that's why I record like that. I want you all to enjoy watching my videos and not get turned off by the audio quality. And of course, we can't forget the weekends spent processing audio, editing videos, doing thumbnails, uploading, and answering comments. So one video's rendering, or encoding as it technically is called. So it's break time. Hope you like this little behind the scenes look at how I film Flat Rate Master channel. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, not like this, but actual educational videos, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, well, why are you watching it? The title pretty much said what it was. Give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.